Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Straight Talk with Metro by T-Mobile. So which prepaid carrier is better? So let's get right into it. Starting with Straight Talk, it operates on multiple networks, whereas on AT&T, T-Mobile giving you wider coverage. Its pricing and its plan pricing basically starts from $35 per month for 5 GB data and goes up to $55 per month for unlimited data. There are no credit card check, no contracts. Other than that, if we talk about the data and speed performance, straight talk speed depends on which network you connect to, but data may be jeopardized during congestion. It's the best for users who want flexible networks and no hidden fees. If we compare it with Metro by T-Mobile, so basically it is fully powered by T-Mobile's 5G network, which is faster in urban areas, but may have a weaker rural coverage. If you talk about pricing, it starts at around $40 per month for 10 GB data and goes up to $16 per month for unlimited plus Amazon Prime and 20 GB hotspot. So, start talking about the data speed and performances. Metro has true T-Mobile speed, but unlimited plans may slow after 335 GB of usage, and it is best for T-Mobile 5G access and perks like Amazon Prime. Now, the final verdict after comparing these two things would be that choose a straight talk if you want a coverage on multiple networks and simple prepaid plans. Choose Metro by T-Mobile if you live in a rural area, and because it will be more better if you choose a straight talk. You will get all the perks of 5G and you will love it. So with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.